International recording artist Vybz Kartel is slated to be crowned King of the Dancehall at this year's staging of the greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sumfest 2025. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the exclusive details to come.
We're very intentional with how we curate our lineup. Dancehall is the heartbeat of Jamaica. Raw, vibrant, ever-evolving. And we want to reflect that. Both young and older fans want to see veterans who've built the genre, next-gen stars pushing the culture forward, and voices that represent different parishes and lived experiences. It's not just a show. It's a dynamic statement. It's Reggae Sumfest. It's going to be unforgettable. Don't miss it. I think you might want to reflect back to when it all started at the Freedom Street show at the National Stadium on New Year's Eve 2024. Kartel's first show in 13 years out of prison. The momentum just keeps building, and this year at Sumfest, expect the best yet. It was a cultural reset, a legendary moment that reminded the world why Kartel remains one of the most influential voices in dancehall. Some people are still reeling from the magic of that night and want a second dose. Others missed it and are now grabbing the chance to witness greatness for the very first time, or others who just want to experience him again. His magnetism, lyrical genius, and deep love for Jamaican music and culture have made him not just an artiste, but a movement. People feel connected to his story, his artistry, and his energy. Including him on the Sumfest stage isn't just about star power. It's about honoring a legend who continues to define and elevate dancehall in ways that only he can do.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Since his release from prison, dancehall international superstar Vybz Kartel has been creating waves both on the local and international scenes. With back-to-back sold-out shows in New York at the Barclays Centers and also in some Caribbean islands, Vybz Kartel has created waves since his release. With his successful staging of Freedom Street in Kingston, Jamaica, fans across the world are hoping one day that Vybz Kartel will grace a stage in their country. Tommy Lee Sparta made a surprise appearance at the official Reggae Sumfest media launch held at Iberia Star in Montego Bay. Also performing on night one were Laden and Bugle. Tommy Lee and Laden are both billed for the festival night 1 on Friday, July the 18th, while Bugle is set to perform on festival night 2.
The only man who feels my day, you know what's calling? Man can't go evil. I'm gonna sing it in your heart. So keep my time to shine. Oh, that's a boss. So keep my time to shine. I gotta do what's mine. Yo, what? So keep I let it shine my way. The lyrics and flow I serve this way. The whole lyrics. Cause if you play life, you play no limit. Don't play life, live the way you live it. But I gotta live a sleeping way, and it come instead. Limit on your friends and if it's around in my crib. You play life, you play no limit. Don't play life, live the way you live it. But I gotta live a sleeping way, and it come instead.
In addition to a highly anticipated slate of performances from a stellar lineup of local and international acts, one of the major highlights of the 32nd staging of Reggae Sumfest this year will be the official crowning of Vybz Kartel as King of the Dancehall. The announcement was made by Joe Bogdanovich, the CEO of Dancehall Entertainment, promoters of Reggae Sumfest, at the Sumfest 2025 launch held Wednesday night at the Iberia Star Hotel in St. James. We are also crowning Vybz Kartel, that's a big deal, Joe Bogdanovich told reporters. Beenie Man was officially crowned King of the Dancehall at Reggae Sumfest in July 2009. This year's staging of Reggae Sumfest will feature 7 events under one festival, combined in 2 massive concert nights at Catherine Hall Entertainment Complex. Confirmed acts include Tony Braxton, Vybz Kartel, Taurus Riley, Massacre, Protege, Tommy Lee, among others.
Thank you all for being here as we officially launch the 32nd staging of Reggae Sumfest, the Caribbean's premier music festival, and something I truly believe is Jamaican's gift to the world. This year's festival promises to be nothing short of eclectic. We put together a powerhouse lineup featuring international legend Tony Braxton, the Jamaican icons like current dancehall king Vybz Kartel, Massacre, Taurus Riley, Protege, Lila Ike, Iway, Bugle, Tommy Lee Sparta, Skang, and a very special guest. From July 13th to the 19th, Montego Bay will once again become the heartbeat of the Caribbean.
Yeah, man. Every arena sell out. That's the thing there. Big up the nation. If you know, you know. That's the thing that God is the greatest. All bad minds seek purpose and abundance. 8 won't get you far. 8 can't get you these jewelry. 8 can't get you these clothes. 8 can't get you none of that. Yeah? Yeah. This is hard work. This is dedication. This is God at work. You hear that? And when God at work, dirty man can't nobody work. You hear that? Yeah, man. That is that.
And you see the 18th of July in a Jamaica people. How long now you see? Reggae Sumfest, July 18, Vybz Kartel live. Lyrics in overdrive. I remember my family them have a dead. Aishana and the whole team. What is under me nose? More beer. July 18. I'll be there. Where will you be? Come on.
Ellen Tommy is part of talk, and I'll be performing at the #1 Reggae Sumfest this year. Make sure you pull up in one love, one peace, one harmony. I'm a full jar yourself. Tommy Sparta said that. You're ready for party, hear me ring.
A Reggae Sumfest, Laden. I'll be performing live this staging of Reggae Sumfest, July the 18th, catching out in a Montego Bay, Laden. Now it's gonna be my time to shine. Them say I'm my time. Reggae Sumfest, I'll be there, Laden.
Yo, it's a governor represent for Reggae Sumfest. Yo, check me up on night 1, July 18, catching on. Montego Bay the place to be. Coffee in the city again.
Check from Mr. Face and the advice and also at the end present for Reggae Sumfest 2025. I'll be live and direct. Catherine Hall, July the 18th, make it a date. One Connection LLAP. So, the only Reggae Sumfest. One more time, one more year. Let's go. Live a little land, breathe a little land. Reggae Sumfest.
Anything want me wear, me buy that. Me no want come borrow girl clothes. You don't see me exclusive. Them girl, they are really my bella. This is Chanel Muir. I'll see you guys at Reggae Sumfest 2025, presented to you by Caribbean Airlines and Dancehall Entertainment. July 18, Festival Night 1. Remember, 7 days, 7 events, 1 festival. Make sure you did it. I'll see you there.
39 GUD. You know, for your advice for the Ballon d'Or boss, Jamal. I'm going to represent for Reggae Sumfest, 18 of July 2025. Everybody make it a late and down with it. You know, Jamal go to there, shell the place. 3, 9. We never give up, dog. We never stop trying. Believe.
Lightning. I win I say watch you now. Badness some boy a pre. Can't afford team much less lawyer fee. Some say them they are head of the game, that of the aim. Hey watch out, burn out the badness. Show it away like a ball. Throw it away, me rough and tough long time. Not just one day. I mean I say watch you now. Sumfest. I don't know gun fest or rum fest. I want to some flesh. Better you smoke some cess. I mean I say watch you now. July 19, 2025. Catching all. Mobile. Lava splashing.
This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Thanks for watching.